Two identical rectangular prisms each have a height of 90 centimeters. The base of each prism is a square, and the surface area of each prism is k centimeters squared. If the prisms are glued together along the square base, the resulting prism has a surface area of 9247k centimeters squared. What's the side lengths in centimeters of each square base? So first of all, we have to identify what we have. So we got a rectangular prism with a square base. The height is 90. The length of the side of the base is unknown. So the height is equal to 90. The surface area, as they are told, is equal to k. So the surface area of a rectangular prism with a square basis just going to be 2 multiplied by the area of a base, which is L. So it will be 12 in the power of 2. Then we are adding the four sides, right? So the area of a side is going to be L multiplied by 90. Now you have got four of such sides, so it's going to 4 multiplied by 90 multiplied by L. That's going to be equal to K. Then we are given the second equation. So we know that the new surface area is going to be 2 L in the power of 2, the exact same areas. Then now we are adding not 4 sides, but 8 sides, right? Since this way we got 4 sides, so we got them glued together along the base. Now it will be equal to the 92 over 47k. So as you can see, we have a system, so we can easily subtract them or do any operations, okay? Since the value of k and the value of L, they're identical for both of them. So if you subtract, you're going to get 4L multiplied by 90 is equal to 45 over 47k. This way we have got the second equation for our k, which is this. Now we've got two equations for our k, meaning that we could easily equalize them, which we are going to do right now. Here it is. So I'm just going to equalize this, right, to the new equation. Now, as you can see, I'm just left to put into Desmos and get the answer of 8. Now, there are actually two ways you can do this. First one is actually doing the regression right here, where you're just going to replace equal sign with this sign. Or you can use the simple method, which is basically replacing L with X and then looking for the answer on the graph. Either way is correct. However, this one is a little bit more appropriate. However, keep in mind that if this method doesn't work, then the only option that you're left with is going to be Desmos, typical Desmos. Please do not try to be here and solve it on your own since, well, I believe that you can do this. However, it would take pretty much time and would be inefficient, basically time consumption. So I hope that you understood it, and the answer is going to be B. Have a good time and see you next time.